guys, what's up? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, we are going to quickly put this beautiful unit on. This unit is from Myfirstwig, and I absolutely love this Yaki texture unit. It is kind of like a long bob, so it's not like a short unit. I'm not sure of the length. It might be like 14 inch. I'll leave it down below. I love the new drawstring type of situation. I love the new drawstring that they are applying to the wigs, because it really holds the wig down and really secure your wig down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna still use my little straps here and put it on the tightest like that. As you guys can see, can y'all see? I always just make sure my strap is really tight. It also comes with 3 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back. And it also comes with the adjustable strap. So it is super secure for your head. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on a little bit. I always pull my stocking cap up back a little bit like that. So all I'm gonna do is put it on my head. This is pretty much fresh out of the pack. Only thing I did was flat iron. Only thing I did was flat iron this on the mannequin head just to save me a little time. So I'm gonna still take my comb and hook it in the back of my nape, the nape area. I'm gonna pull the unit back. So for a natural look, I'm gonna take the comb and put the combs on the ends. So pulling the unit back. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take the drawstring and tighten the unit up. So all you do is just pull the drawstring to make the unit nice and tight on your head. This is so sturdy on my head. This is not going anywhere. So I'm just gonna take my ears off and just adjust the unit a little bit more to my hairline. Making sure everything is nice and flat. Okay guys, as you can see, the unit is nice and it's on. I did cut the ear tabs a little bit just so it can fit my hairline. This is how the unit look with no glue on it. Look at that, y'all. It looks like it's coming from the scalp. Now, this unit is pretty much glueless, y'all. All you have to do, me personally, just because I had to cut the ear tabs, so I feel like this is like gonna flap a little bit. As you can see, it's nothing flapping at the top. All you have to do is take a little bit of your spray like this, add it to the sides of the unit, like this. You don't even have to spray it all. Just add it to the side like that. Pull it up where you want it to be. Hold it down a little bit. But this is pretty much glueless, but I always add a little bit of spray to the hairline, y'all, or something. Spray a little bit more. And do the same on both sides. One thing about the drawstring is really like helping the lace feel super secure. And this wig did come pre-cut, so you don't really have to cut much. I just cut a little extra off. Okay, you guys, so we have the unit really nice and secured on. It looks so good. Now I'm gonna just take something that's got to be glued spray wax. I love this stuff, y'all. It's so good. It really helps with all the like flyaways. I feel like I am so late to this, but it really helps your hair look super polished. It's kind of a wax in a spray form. I highly recommend this stuff. So then I'll just take my hot comb and make sure the hair is like down. I'm not even gonna do any baby hairs today, y'all. You don't even have to with this unit. When your units and your wigs are so good, when your unit looks so good and the lace looks so good, you don't even have to do baby edges. Now I might do it in the future later on, like tomorrow, but right now I'm not gonna do any baby edges. This wax spray, oh my gosh, it's so good. It makes your hair look so polished and it's not too heavy. It's like a got to be mixed with wax. And then as soon as you put heat to it, it just make it look so good. Okay guys, so here is the finished look of my unit. I didn't tie it down yet, y'all, so I know when I melt it down a little bit more with the headband, with the melting band, it's gonna lay even better. But this is how the unit look. I didn't do any baby edges, but I did do a little sideburn action. I always do that. So I really like the way it looks. You could style this unit in so many different ways. You could do a side part. I always do it with a tuck behind the ear, and I don't like my part to be super defined, so I'm not gonna open it up and put concealer on it. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna let it be. And yeah, look at the lace. The lace is really nice. Everything is super nice. I did trim a little bit off the bottom just so it can look blunt like that. But yeah, so I am in love with my hair. I love the drawstring method. It really makes the lace look really flawless, and it just really helps with the secured feel on the unit. It really makes the hair lay really flat. So make sure you guys check out Myfirstwig. I'll leave everything down below for you guys for sure, so you can get this unit. It's very easy to install. You can put it back in a bun, in a clip. You could do it in so many different ways. I love this length because if I wanted to do a ponytail, and the cool thing about it, if I do a ponytail, the drawstring is going to allow the ponytail to look natural. So love that. Make sure you guys check them out. I love the new drawstring method. So talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.